In this real review of VarTical launching today, September 27th, 2022 on WarriorPlus from Mosh Bari, and I want you to pay attention to the fact that this is launched from Mosh Bari because part of evaluating a product is looking at the sales page and the headlines. For example, start a real profitable online business in the next 60 seconds. This one-click app auto-creates a full-blown, ready-to-profit digital products agency preloaded with 1 million PLR articles, 100,000 ebooks, royalty-free music tracks, HD videos, images, and more. That comes with a free commercial license that will allow you to instantly start profiting by selling these to agencies, freelancers, website owners, bloggers, marketers around the world for a monthly subscription. We need to go over to WarriorPlus where this is being launched and take a look at the vendor and his reputation or his rating for his products. And as you can see, he has a 2.5-star rating and he is in the business of launching products just like this one. If you were to go over to check out his profile on Muncheye, the Eye of I Am launches, you will see tons and tons of products that are very similar as far as the offer that they make on the sales page for you to start a business online in 60 seconds or less, and usually a 2 or 3 step process. Now back to the VarTical sales page, because now I want to address again the fact of what we're looking at here. You can see here price rises next in 2 minutes, 56, 58, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. You can see my countdown there was a little off in my numbers, but you understand what I'm saying. 45 seconds, 44 seconds. This countdown timer is going to go to 0. And we're going to see that if we open this in a new tab, this is on sale for $17. Based upon that timer, the price should rise within the next 2 minutes, 27, 26, 25, 24 seconds. But if you were to go back again to Muncheye and look at all these products and the list price for the actual launch, and then you were to take a look at one that launched recently. For example, we'll take a look at Host Zpresso. It launched the 2nd of March. Again, this is the 27th of September, 2022. Host Zpresso launched for $19 on the 2nd of March. If you go to the Host Zpresso sales page, of course, you'll see Mosh Bari here in the video, so you know it says product. You'll scroll down and you can see there's a countdown timer here where this is going to expire in 15 minutes, 53, 52, 51, 50 seconds. Get instant access. And they're saying it's today a $22 one-time price. Of course, now you're saying to yourself, yes, the price did go up. It was offered at $19. Now it's offered at $22, but exit off the page for a $5 discount. And the price is $17, even lower than the $19 it originally launched at. So there is no reason to worry about this timer. Again, it's counting down, and we'll let it count down here and we'll see what happens. But the point here is the idea behind this is people are making tons of money selling content. And yes, that is true. These images are true. People are making money selling ebooks and royalty-free music and royalty-free images and HD videos. And the idea and the concept of what if you could do it without creating any content yourself is absolutely ludicrous. Start a full-blown, ready-to-profit digital products agency in just 3 clicks. Step 1, get access to VarTical. Step 2, find agencies, freelancers, marketers, website owners, etc., and start selling this content. Sell them PLR articles, ebooks, royalty-free musics, and keep 100% of the profits. Let's just go back up here. I am going to buy this and I'm going to show you inside so you see exactly what you get. But the idea that you're going to be able to go through 1 million PLR articles, 100,000 ebooks, and pick out the things that you could sell in your agency of these preloaded digital products, again, is just ridiculous. Now, back to the timer. As you can see, the timer has zeroed out or it has disappeared. And you can see that the price is still $19. We'll go ahead and we will refresh this page. You can see the timer is cookied, so we'd have to clear our cookies for the timer to come back. So they have gotten rid of the timer, so it has zeroed out. But again, we'll open this in a new tab. But before we do that, wait, we can actually get or qualify for a discount, an instant $2 off. So we can get this for $9.99. So that is one benefit. It does appear that the timer has triggered a $2 discount for us. So we'll go ahead and right click this and open that in a new tab. And you will see here that now we're going to get this for $9.99. You have to agree to the terms. Of course, after you pay, you'll be presented with a upsell. You can see here that I've already qualified for a $10 discount on the upsell, but the upsell here is step 1, get access. Step 2, remove all limits. Step 3, delivery. Sell unlimited content to unlimited clients for unlimited profits using VarTical. Unlock unlimited reseller license. This is the upsell. I'm inside of the funnel, but it is confusing as always, as usual. Now I am presented a chance to actually upgrade, and I can start selling more content versus the 1 million ebooks. Again, if we were to go back here to the main page, we were told that we could start a profitable business in less than 60 seconds or in the next 60 seconds with 1 million PLR articles, 100,000 ebooks, royalty-free music tracks, HD videos, images, and more. But after I purchase that, now I'm told that I can unlock unlimited content. So more than 1 million pieces of content must be needed to start this business. Of course, there's a complete funnel here inside of VarTical. The front end, $17, then it moves through 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different upsells. You can see here they're unlimited monetized traffic done for you, 30K challenge, automation, as well as a reseller license to resell this product to put people just like you that are confused of what it takes to build a real online business and see a page like this and see everything on this sales page that is geared towards making you think that it is simple as step 1, getting access to VarTical. Step 2, finding agencies and freelancers and other people to actually buy this content that we just purchased that we're about to take a look at now. Okay, here you can see my purchases inside of WarriorPlus. I want you to take note of something that happened when I made this purchase, when I was offered the coupon code. I've circled it here. I paid $9.99, but you can see here that there's this little green square and it is a recurring payment. So instead of the $17 one time, they hit me with a coupon code or a discounted price of $9.99. But what they didn't say, or I wasn't paying attention because I was focused in on the one-time price on the sales page, they actually hit me with a recurring payment. So if I don't cancel this, I will be billed again for $9.99. So if you get the $9.99, if you are to pick up VarTical, make sure that you understand that this will be rebilled if you do not cancel. So let's go ahead and access our product. Here you can see, again, subscription details. I have been subscribed to a subscription, or I've been set up to make payments of $9.99 a month. And we'll go ahead and we will click access our purchase and log into VarTical. Here we go. Thank you for getting VarTical. Your access has been created and delivered to your email. Feel free to contact support desk if you face any issues. Subscribe to Mosh Bari's YouTube channel. And in case you missed the upgrades, here you go. Don't worry about missing out on any of the upgrades in the funnel. If you want to buy VarTical, go ahead, buy the front end. Be aware of that $9.99 option. It is a recurring payment. So if you do not like it, cancel before 30 days or you will be rebilled. But the idea and the concept here is don't worry about missing out on anything in the funnel. The prices, it's all fake scarcity. You can get access to any of those that you see here by going through this page and clicking those options. There are some training and tutorials here. You can see a quick demo. Then there's an option to get Zpresso. Then there is the get started video, and then there's an option to get drive Zpresso, and then they move into the actual rest of the videos to actually get up and running inside of VarTical. So if you remember VarTical sales page, start a real profitable online business in the next 60 seconds, I think you can agree that we are past 60 seconds just trying to purchase and get access to our product to start setting up our one-click app that auto creates a full-blown ready-to-profit digital products agency that's preloaded with 1 million PLR articles. But let's access our details for VarTical and log in. You can see here I've actually received 2 different emails with 2 different passwords. But we'll go ahead and we'll see if we can work this out by clicking the login URL, launching the app, entering the first password that we got to see if that actually works. Yay, successfully logged in. And here we go. We have our dashboard inside of VarTical. I will say one thing about Mosh Bari and the products he creates. He does a good job with the user interface and it looks really nice. And the software actually works. It's the question of what did you actually get when you purchased this software? Let's see what we got. We got a funnel builder. So here we need to actually click here to create a new funnel, and then we will need to create a funnel. So we'll go ahead and say test, test, and we'll go ahead and create a funnel. And a funnel is simply just a collection of pages where you're going to be selling your products. All of these products that you've purchased, to include the 1 million PLR articles, 100,000 ebooks, royalty-free music tracks, and HD images and videos, and so much more. So here we have to go and we have to set up domain access, or domain and access. Present your product using a VarTical subdomain or your own domain. So here we'll have to select a domain. Of course, that'll be on VarTical.app. You would have to come up with a name here. To go ahead and call this Real Review Z. If you want to select your own domain name, you would have to set that up here, and then you would have to configure all of your DNS settings, as well as have an actual domain that you need to register on something like Namecheap. But we'll go ahead and we'll use their VarTical.app, and we'll go ahead and say here, now we have to select access settings, public access, paid access, free access. You have to pick one of these. You have to understand the difference, what they do, how they actually work. So you'll need to understand that paid access, you're going to have different URLs here versus free access where people can register. And then we'll go ahead and we'll just say public access to keep this easy. Here, there's a preview page button. We'll go ahead and select that. And here is what it'll look like. You would need a logo. You would need to put your information here. And then you would give them their login information, or they would register for an account. And we'll go back and we'll go ahead and say save settings. And you can see here, this VarTical.app is setting here spinning. So we're going to wait for that to save. I'm not sure what is going on there. We'll go ahead and go to google.com and say, what time is it? To make sure that our internet is up and running. So our internet is working. So this is not a function of my internet not working. This is a function of VarTical, the actual VarTical app. As you can see, I'm inside VarTical.app here in the URL, and it is sitting here thinking about creating my site or my funnel, which is the site, the website that I will be using to sell the products. So what we'll do is we'll go back to our account, or our email that brought us to our account, and we'll go ahead and move on with the demo, and we'll move on to products because VarTical is still setting up that funnel or that product site for me. So here we are back under products. There is no product available right now. If you want to create a product, then click on the button below. Import product. If you click import product, you would need to select a server and an account. Not sure what that is. If we click create new product, we'll say test product and we'll create a new product. And here you have to upload the product image. You have to upload the product content. You have to upload the product. There is no server available to upload your files account. Please add an account, whatever you want to, like Amazon, Google Drive, and Dropbox. If you want to add an account, then click here. Okay, so you'll need to connect Amazon S3, Google Drive, or Dropbox for storage to actually deliver the products. So that's going to be under file hosting. So they put products first, and we didn't actually have a way to create or deliver a product. You need to set up file hosting. Then you will also need an autoresponder, because you will need to collect emails, and then you will need to communicate with your customers and the people you add to a list once they purchase your product. Of course, that is once they access the funnel. Of course, if we go back to VarTical, this is where I was setting up the funnel. It is still loading. It is still processing. So that hasn't happened yet. So you will need an email autoresponder, and then you will need to interconnect that. Transactional emails. There is no transactional email available. Your search query returns no result. Please modify your search query or search criteria and try again. Add a transactional account. Here you will need to add a transactional account. That means VarTical does not send emails. You will need to set up access through some type of server to actually send emails. So when someone registers for your free access to your VarTical product, then if you want them to get an email that says success, here's your login details, you will need to configure this information. It is not set up. VarTical does not do this for you. Again, this is a component that you must do yourself. Training and tutorials. Again, here's the page with all the upsells, and subscribe to the Mosh Bari YouTube channel before you actually get to the training tutorial. Of course, you would need to go through all of these training and tutorial videos to set this up. And like I said, I do believe we are way past 60 seconds. And don't forget, this is AI-powered software that creates sensational digital products in seconds. I've yet to see a product. I've yet to see where we access our 1 million PLR access, our 1 million PLR articles inside of the access that I currently have. You can see here, rookie approved, get started instantly. 0 learning curve. Of course, you have to watch the training videos. Of course, you have to wait for it to set up your funnel, which it still hasn't done yet. And then you also have to, at this stage, set up your transactional email server, set up your autoresponder server, set up your file hosting, either with Amazon S3, Google Drive, or Dropbox. And then finally, you get onto the ebook collection. Here is the ebook collection. You will need to download all of these ebooks, and you will need to parse through all of these zip files and look and see exactly what you're getting. You have no idea where these came from, what you're downloading. You're just downloading gigabytes of files from the internet and then putting them on your computer hard drive, and then you will have to manually go through them to add them as a product inside of VarTical. As you can see, when I clicked on product right here, of course, I just clicked that and it's not doing anything. Okay, here we go. You will need to import or create a new product. As you remember, I created this test product here. If I wanted to edit that, I would have to go in here, upload the product image, upload the contents, upload the product. Of course, if I want to upload the product, then I need to connect that to my file hosting, which will be Amazon S3, Google Drive, or Dropbox. Then you come here, you have royalty-free images. Again, it is just gigabytes of files that you will need to download. And you come here, you have royalty-free music. Guess what? You guessed it. Just a list, a laundry list of MP3 files. You have no idea where these came from. You have no idea what they sound like. You have no idea what it is you're going to be selling to the people that you have to go find, because you will have to go find customers to actually buy these. Again, royalty-free videos. You click here. It's just a Google Drive just stuffed with MP4 videos that you would literally have to download and watch to see if they make any sense for the people you are trying to sell them for. Again, a nice, flashy, it looks nice, VarTical inside. Once you get inside the GUI, it all works. But what are you really getting? You are buying a list of downloadable files that Mosh Bari has on his Google Drive that you will have to go look through, look at, and say, are these worth any money? Can I sell these? I need to read all these. What niche are they in? Etc., etc. And then, of course, here are the PLR articles. Again, just 1 million PLR articles, just a laundry list here of just non-sorted, non-categorized. You will need to download them. You will need to sort through them. They will just be collecting digital dust on your hard drive. Also, if you'd like to know more or see more about the types of products that Mosh creates and sells, because this is his business, selling you products like these, go ahead and check out the playlist that you see here on the screen. This is from my other channel, 30 Minute Marketing, before I actually created this channel to do just these reviews. There's a link in the description as well as a link in the cards. It's popping up right now for you to check out these Mosh Bari products that he's launched on WarriorPlus that are basically all the same like VarTical. Like you've seen here, a nice flashy GUI. Yes, the product works, but at the end of the day, what are you getting? And are you really ready to start your own full-blown, ready-to-profit digital products agency with this product? I would say no, you're not. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. Let me know in the comments what you think or what else you'd like to see or know about VarTical. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.